Welcome students. Now let us continue with this lesson, that is a Renaissance. The Renaissance means what? It is a revival, rebirth of the ancient Greek and the Roman classics were there. It was considered as a Renaissance period is a transitional period between the medieval age and the modern age. There is a no assertive that is a specific demarcation between the medieval and the modern age, but still the attack, or you can say the invasion of the Turkey on the Constantinople is considered as a that is a revival of the modern, or you can say revival of the modern age in our country, or beginning of the modern age in the that is in the Europe. Okay, earlier as I told you, already indicated that this medieval age was known as the dark age, okay, in the Europe, because the peoples were they were blindly following the religious authorities more. Their thinking, their writing, their act or behaviors, everything was influenced by the religious authority or the religion there. They blindly, without thinking, without any reasoning, without any scientific reasons, they used to follow the religions only. So whatever, even the authorities, they kept them under the, means they were oppressing them. They were greatly oppressed by the religious authority. They were misguided by the peoples of the religious authority, you can say. Okay, people, instead of living in the present, they were thinking about the futures, because they were threatened by the religious that if you do this act right now, then in the futures will go in the that is in the hell, or you have to go in the this way and that way, God will punish you. It was considered sin and all that. तो डरा धमका कर रखते थे. Okay, so this was, as already told you, that it was great. That is many reasons were there, causes were the Renaissance. This was changed. This changed. Okay, due to what causes already we have studied. That is a contribution of the religious. That is the original thinkers like Roger Bacon was there, Albert Bard is there. Then Thomas Aquinas was there, who revolutionized the ideas of the peoples, made them to think before accepting anything. Okay, they generated the reasoning powers in the peoples. They dare, due to this what happens, the peoples now dare to ask the questions to the authority. उनके सामने भी खड़े होने की हिम्मत करते थे. Okay, so this was their ideas were revolutionized, and this gave the change in the ideas in the thinking of the peoples. Okay, so slowly the people started thinking towards the life, real life, what is the real life and for what they have come here instead of that. Then second one also we have seen about the decline of the feudalism, जिसमें जमींदारी सिस्टम को एबॉलिश किया. That we have seen that when the feudalism was it was abolished in the Europe, the serfs and the kings and other authorities, those who were under the pop सबसे हाईएस्ट किंग से भी ऊपर पॉप होता था, यानी कि ओनर ऑफ द चर्च होता था. तो दे ऑल वर, रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल्स, दे वर कंसिडर एज अ सब्जेक्ट्स अंडर द सब्जेक्ट, यानी कि प्रजा बोलते हैं जिसको, राजा के अंदर प्रजा. तो यहाँ पे राजा पॉप था, राजा नहीं था, राजा भी उसके अंडर में आता था. ओके, सो दैट ऑल पीपल्स दे बिकम, दे स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट द life, they started thinking in a new way. Okay, so as soon as they got new ways, new ideas, they became creative. They started thinking about the human lives and humans and their behaviors and everything. Human nature के बारे में, humanism के बारे में सोचने लगे. They started creating. This also gave the ideas of the Renaissance, or this gave the way to the ideas. Then invasion of the Turkey on the Constantinople in 1453. Okay, when it was captured by the Turkey peoples, all the classics, that is a Greek manuscripts. Okay, classical manuscripts were taken away by the Greek peoples, and they went to the Rome, and there settled. They started expanding or explaining or spreading the Greek classics, that is the arts and architectures and science, literature, everything they started. This also paved the way of the Renaissance. Then printing press, we have seen the first printing press was established in 1456 at Germany by the Gutenberg. Second one is in 1476 in England. इंग्लैंड में 1476 में बनी थी. This also due to that happens the printing, that is this press, they started printing the books on the large scales, Bibles and other religious and classical books. Okay, people started, that means the books now became easily accessible to the peoples, and peoples also started reading that, and they came to know about what is good and what is bad there. Okay, that started. Then new discovery of the new invention of the new trade routes. Okay, especially Portugal and the Spain, they played a great, the kings of the Portugal and the Spain, they played a great role in finding the different routes, that is a sea route, as well as also the discovery of the new lands were also made there. For example, we have seen that is a Bartholomew Dias. Bartholomew Dias, he discovered the Cape of Good Hope, that is a tip of the Africa. Before that, Prince of the Spain, he discovered the route to the Africa, and following the same route, Bartholomew, he discovered the Cape of the Good Hope, and after that, following the same route, okay, एक route धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते गए लोग, okay, following the same route, Vasco da Gama reached to India, okay, in 1498. Okay, India was not discovered in, but new sea route to the India was discovered in 1498. At the same time, Columbus also discovered the West Indies as well, or East Indies, as well as what is that, East Indies, and America was discovered. So new route. So this, as a result, what happens, the people came into contact with each other. Okay, the exchange of the ideas took place. As a result, the fusion of the ideas took place, and it elaborated the mental horizon of the peoples and also the ideas there. Okay, so this also gave to the race. Now in these topics, now we have to start what are the impacts of the Renaissance. What are the impacts of the Renaissance in the various fields? It has a tremendous impact. Okay, the Renaissance had a great impact on all the horizons, or on all the fields like arts, literature, science, astronomy. Everywhere there was a greater discoveries and inventions were made in the different fields there. This gave the rise to the different discoveries and all that, or you can say the inventions and all that. Okay, so let us start new types of the roads. Earlier, just I will talk to that. Earlier, as I told you, every arts ho ya chahe literature ho, chahe arts and literatures, or whatever the peoples used to behave, that great influence of the religions was seen there. Okay, now as the Renaissance came, there came the change. People started thinking about the human life. Okay, so now we have to start with the impacts of the Renaissance. New topic is there. Okay, where certain things are there, that we have to write. Okay, impact of Renaissance. Impact of Renaissance on literature. All we don't have to do, only among these Shakespeare's only you have to write, but what changes came, that is necessary to write. Okay. In the Middle Age is literature was dominated by religion and was written in Latin. Latin language में लिखा जाता था literature पूरा. Okay. The Renaissance writers wrote in, they wrote about what? They wrote about human, wrote about man, his interest, overall about the humanism, his interest and nature, and उनके नेचर के बारे में लिखा. ओके, they became interested in the world, in this world, rather than rather than in the future life. In future life. Okay. Literatures were written in vernacular languages. That is in common people's common languages. ओके लोगों की भाषा में जैसे लिखते हैं ना उनकी भाषा में लिख लगे. पहले लिटरेचर लैटिन में लिखे जाते थे तो दे वर नॉट अंडरस्टूड बाय द कॉमन पीपल. Okay, then now in this only we have to write about Shakespeare. About the that is the Shakespeare's we have to write. Okay, Shakespeare updated the simplicity simplistic two-dimensional writing style. He was a great he focused on creating creating human characters with psychological complexity. Okay. Shakespeare utilized his knowledge of Greek and Roman classic when writing his play. Okay, now we'll write his some of the important writings of the Shakespeare will made. Okay. Most important writings of Shakespeare's are Hamlet, Julius Caesar, then Macbeth, King Lear, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, जूलियट सीजर भी हो गया, रोमियो जूलियट हो गया. Okay, after this art of impact on the okay, this only you have to remember about the literature. Now about the impact on art. Here only one topic we have to do it. Okay. Art in the Middle Ages was dominated by church. It attached great importance to moral virtue and mysteries of the faith. That means totally religious based. Okay. Its subjects were Christ, Mary एंड द सेंट्स. ओके, इनके यही सब्जेक्ट थे जो आर्ट्स में होते थे, चाहे स्कल्पचर्स हो या चाहे कोई भी कुछ हो तो. ओके, जैसे इंडिया में भी होता था पहले, टेम्पल सिंपल्स होते उस पर क्या होता था, रिलीजियस सारे फोटोज़ होते हैं मीथ में से, चाहे पुरानों में से, स्कल्पचर में से, उस होता डेकोरेट करते थे. इस तरह से इन द चर्चेस ऑल्सो, कैथेड्रल यानी कि उनका जो गेट और आउटसाइड होता था, एवरीथिंग इज decorated with the saints or the many pictures of the photos, sculptures of the photos. Written is also Bible, that is the verses from the Bibles and all that was written there. Okay, now what happened during the Renaissance art, that is the Renaissance art was dominated by the spirit of naturalism. नेचुरलिज्म इज नेचर के रिलेटेड, इसमें इंसान से सब लोग, एंड ह्यूमनिज्म ह्यूमनिज्म। इसमें डबल आर लिखा है ना। Great stress was laid on beauty, grace, elegance, harmony, of shades and balanced form. It was real and lifelike. That means what? The people of this medieval age, okay, they were highly guided by the religion, as I told you already. So their subjects of the art, architecture, literature, whatever is said, that is fully related to the religions. Okay, there we find everywhere about the arts and architectures or whatever is there. Everywhere the subjects were what is that? Mary, or maybe it is Jesus Christ or some other things, but religious, Bible hota tha, ye hota tha. But when the Renaissance came, the people, the Renaissance artists, they turned to the humanism, to the naturalisms. Okay, they believed in what? They believe in the natural beauties surrounding whatever they saw. They started putting them in their art. Okay, they started using that in their own arts. Okay, so the subject changed from the religion to the naturalism and humanism. Okay, अब वो change हो गया. The subjects were crest, ये मैंने बता दिया इसमें. Okay, now here we have to study about the painting. Art of painting में हमको करना है. That is art में खाली that is Leonardo da Vinci. We have to study about his masterpiece only. Name of the books or a painting. Very famous is Mona Lisa was the famous painting of the Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, we don't have to write this much here. Okay, here we have to study about the Leonardo da Vinci. उनके बारे में लिखना है. Okay, he was a versatile genius of Italy. He was a painter. He was a painter, architect, engineer, scientist, and a sculptor. Okay, his Mona Lisa, The Last Supper, The Virgin and the child, virgin and the child. Virgin and the child are the masterpiece. Masterpieces of art. They reveals his mastery in color, shade, light and the background. They are matchless. In revealing inner beauty and grace. Okay, third one we have to write about impact on the arts, impact on the science we have to write. Okay, after that other topics also I will discuss, so that you will write impact on the science. Next topic is impact on science. How it impacted the science. Okay. Roger Bacon, how it changed, how the ideas of the science and how the discoveries and all that are made. Roger Bacon was the first person to lay stress on original thinking and scientific investigation. Okay, Roger Bacon was the first person who gave the original thinking and also laid the stress on the scientific investigation. That means before accepting anything, first we have to investigate whether it is true or not, how, when, what. Okay, वो करना ज़रूरत है. So that idea was given by whom? By the it was given by. Okay, so original thinking and scientific investigations. Okay, this led to the development of science, scientific spirit, and new invention. Which brought about revolution, about a revolution in political, economy, social and cultural life. Social and cultural life. So here we have to study about the Copernicus. In this we have to study about the Copernicus. He was a Polish astronomer, he proved that he gave heliocentric theory and stated that, and prove that. Instead of stated you can write proved that, that the earth was round, and the earth the moon and the other stars moved round the circle. Round the sun in circle. Okay, beside this all discoveries, many other things are there which is which required to need to this, but you have to prepare this. Other than this, that is a John Kepler. He proved that the sun and the moon, that is the celestial bodies, they are not moving around the sun in a round circle, but the path is elliptical. That was proved by the John Kepler. Then Galileo discovered the telescope this time. Then Newton also, Isaac Newton, he also proved the gravitation, that is discovered the law of the gravitation during the Renaissance period. Beside this, that is a physics. In the great discoveries were made or was made in the law of the parallelogram of the forces are there, that is by the Stephen. Even the Gilbert, he carried the experiment concerning the properties of magnet and proved the way of the study of the electricity, that means electricity. Okay, because magnetic field, due to the magnet on property of the magnet और the electricity का prove किया. Okay, beside this, in the great great discoveries or inventions were also made. In what matter? देखो, chemistry, that is Vesalius and the Harvey laid the foundation of the modern anatomy. Then Paracelsus proved the close connection between the medicine and chemistry and the use of chemicals as a mineral, that is as medicinal purposes. Okay, मेडिसिन में जो केमिकल यूज़ होता है वो किसने फाइंड किया था कि यूज़ हो सकता है, दैट इज़ पैरासिलिसिस. फिर कॉर्डस हैं प्रिपेयर एथर फ्रॉम द अल्कोहल एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. फिर हेलमंट है, हेलमंट डिस्कवर्ड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Okay, so it is that is invented. Thermometer was also invented. Okay, then Desargues and that is equation, modern geometry was made systematic by the Desargues is there. Okay, then Descartes devises analytical geometry. Stephen advocated decimal system of the coins, weights and measures. Okay, other invention of the discoveries which were made there are the telescope, microscope, printing press, gunpowder, handguns and mariner compass. All these were important inventions of the Renaissance were there. Okay, so just whatever I given you, go through that. So we have completed this lesson. Okay, this lesson is completed. Two are there, whatever is given only that, but it is necessary to read the that is a lessons. लेसन मस्ट बी रेड. चाहे कोई भी टॉपिक हो आपको रीड करना है, पूरा का पूरा लेसन पढ़ना है. ऐसा नहीं कि ये पढ़ो, आंसर भले नहीं आएंगे, बट यू नीड टू रीड द लेसन सो दैट सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस मे बी in the future also it will be come for you, so you can understand that what answers you have read. If you have read, then you can join any of the competitive examinations also, because if the lesson is important. No? Lesson is informative, is there information, lots of information about the various scientific discoveries and inventions are there, so you can go through that. Okay, thank you.